Hi everyone, today I am going to solve a word quiz. It's simulation based. We will start our quiz now. And if you need help in online courses like computer science, business management, business and math, business and finance, human resource management, history, English, literature, nursing, psychology, statistics, information technology, applied science, or if you need help in Pearson course, Canvas course, Pearson Plus course, Cengage course, you can contact me on my WhatsApp. My WhatsApp number is given on the screen and also given in the description of this video. Or you can contact me through my email address. My email address is given on the screen and also given in the description of this video. Or you can scan the barcode which is given at the start of the video and at the end of the video. Now we will move to our simulation. I will start the simulation. It's launching now. We will make it a full screen. It's maybe a 10-minute add row above the first row of the table. So that is our table. We need to go to layout. Here you will select the insert above. We have inserted a row, and what he is saying, merge the cells in the first row of the table. So we will merge the cells from here, and our first question is now completed. We have total 7 questions. In the paragraph that begins, the ID also like to use, that is our paragraph. Use the treasure pane to change the word limitations. We need to find the word, that is our word limitation. We will go to the review tab, and in the treasure tab we will change it to a restrictions, and we will insert this one and then close the treasure pane. Then we will close the treasure pane. That's our second question. Select the entire document and change the line spacing to 1.5. So we will press Ctrl All. We will change the line spacing to 1.15, and then we will go to the view tab, layout tab. In the what we need to do, and the spacing after to 12, spacing after, here spacing after we will make it a 12. That's our touched. Add at the top of the document type. Here at the top of the document we will press Ctrl plus home. So we are now at the top of the document. We need to type the history of Ellis Island, then press enter. Center the title history Island. So we will go to the home tab and make it center. That's our third question now complete. Our fourth step is, in the sixth line, the paragraph that originally the island top of the period following the word material. So we will go to the what, in the sixth line of the paragraph. Sixth line of the paragraph begins originally. We will go to the sixth line of the paragraph, which is beginning from the originally the island to the left of the period following the materials. That is our originally the left of the island to the left of the period word material. What we originally the island to the left of the period following the word materials. Left of the period, that is our left side of the period. For insert a source. So we will go to insert the source, insert creation, add a new source. In the sixth line of the paragraph that begins originally the island to the left of the period, the following word materials we will move to the other question. Then we will see at the end of this question at the end. At the top of the document, click in the group photo picture and on the picture tools format tab, in the size group, click in the dialog box launcher. In the size group, we will click the size launcher. On the under scale, be sure that the log aspect ratio and relative ratio are checked. Size checks are complete. Under the scale, select the percentage number in the height box, type 50. Select the percentage in the height box. Here we will type 50 and press OK. Our fifth question is now complete. Our sixth question, above the heading New Funding, click the Select link from the website. On the Picture Tools Format tab, in the Picture Style group, click Picture Borders. That's our click borders. We will go to the under the theme color in the second column, click the first color. That's our sixth step completed. Our seventh step is press Ctrl plus End. We have Ctrl plus End. Then delete the comma and space that separate the name, comma, from we will delete this and this also. With the insertion point between the E in executive, on the insert tab, we will go to the insert tab. In the symbols group, here in the symbol group, we will select symbol and more symbol. And in the special character, we will select EM dash. Click insert and close the symbol box. Click insert and close the symbol box. That's our seventh question. Now we have only fourth question remaining. In the sixth line of the paragraph that begins originally, sixth line, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Originally the island to the left of the period. That is our left of the period. That is not the line. Here we will go. The island originally 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The island we will find originally the island. In the sixth line of the paragraph, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, that begins originally the island to the left of the period following the word materials, following the word materials. Here, following the word material, what we need to do, insert a quotation from the new source, add a new source from we will select the website, and what we need to do, irons Stephen, then visiting Ellis Island. Then in the creation, continue entering the source. The year is 2013 and month is July. Day is 17 and the year assessed is 2021 while month assessed is March. We have submitted our this one. We are now assignment calendar. We have passed now. We will go to our submissions. We have numbers 85.7 marks. So we will go, we check this one and we will go again do this one. If you want to go get more marks, you can do one step. We have don't have time, that's why we have got 85.77%. So that's a good. And if you need help in online courses like computer science, business management, business and math, business and finance, human resource management, history, English, literature, nursing, psychology, statistics, information technology, applied science, or if you need help in Pearson course, Canvas course, Cengage course, or any other course, you can contact me on my WhatsApp. My WhatsApp number is given on the screen and also given in the description of this video. Or you can contact me through my email address. My email address is given on the screen and also given in the description of this video. Or you can just comment on this video. So I will get you soon. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel to get new video updates.